How to fix WhatsApp voice message screen off problem. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to turn off WhatsApp proximity sensor. So to do this, you'll have to follow the simple steps. So to fix the WhatsApp voice message screen turning off issue, which is usually caused by a faulty proximity sensor, you need to check your phone keys or screen protector whether it's obstructing the sensor or not. You could also try cleaning the sensor area and ensure your phone's proximity sensor settings are enabled and working properly. If the issue persists on, you can try restarting your phone or updating the WhatsApp application to the latest version as well. Now, firstly, you could inspect your phone case or screen protector for any debris or areas that might be blocking the proximity sensor, usually located near the earpiece. Likewise, you could also try gently cleaning the proximity sensor area with a soft cloth to remove any dirt or dust. After which, you could go to your phone settings and then navigate to display or accessibility. Then you could find the proximity sensor settings right over here. Then you could go ahead and ensure the proximity sensor is enabled. These are some of the ways to fix it. Apart from it, you could also try clearing your WhatsApp cache as well as data. So for that, long press the WhatsApp application, go to the app info section, and here you want to go to storage and make sure to clear cache, and this should be able to fix it. If not, you could also try reinstalling your WhatsApp application or contacting the support team for better help. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.